Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing Danforth Bay Camping Resort. First impressions of this campground is that it is beautiful. There's lots of different kinds of campsites, a lot of mosquitoes. What do you like best about it, buddy? You like the stream?
Yeah, I like the stream, and I like that we have lots of stuff and we have a camper.
Yeah. So we just got back from our camping trip at Danforth Bay Camping Resort. We went in the middle of May, so it was still springtime camping. We stayed at site C4. Pros of the site is that it was right on this babbling stream. The water was a cool reprieve from the heat. It was abnormally hot this weekend, and my kids loved exploring up and down the shallow waters. We also saw lots of big fish swimming up the stream, which was really cool. A con of this site, and most sites at Danforth, was that they were very close together. If the campground had been full, we would have had no privacy. And that is something that we really look for in a campground, and we really like to stay with state campgrounds or national park campgrounds just because it's usually more private. But once you get into the private sector, more people they can fit into the campground, more of a profit that they can make, so it becomes a little bit hard for us to enjoy as much. We were lucky that the campground wasn't full and we didn't have any neighbors, but if we did, we would be in very tight quarters. The sites range from standard hookups to deluxe full hookups. There is a dumping station that is easy to use. The bathrooms are clean and they have nice showers. Because we were camping during their spring season, the pools were not open yet, but they were massive and they looked like a lot of fun. And it looked like they were building a new pool that would be opening in 2023. There were plenty of spaces for kids to play, like the playground and the ball field. Danforth also has cabins that you can rent. There was a bunch of cabins next to the front store, but there was also 3 cabins right down on the lake that looked like a great location. There are 2 beaches. Both are fairly small and they each have sand volleyball courts on them. You can rent volleyballs or any kind of balls at the depot, that's the front store. You can also rent boats and golf carts. Lots of people were driving around in golf carts. It was so much fun. They claim that the park has 5G Wi-Fi, but my husband and I found that accessing the internet was very spotty and we had terrible service while we were there. It could have been the time of year we were visiting, but the park was also very buggy. Lots and lots of mosquitoes. We doused ourselves with mosquito spray and we lit a fire, tried to get the smoke going, and we were still covered in mosquito bites, especially my daughter. They loved her. Overall, we had a great time, and when we come back, we're hoping to snag site E9. That was the site that I had originally had my eyes on that we were hoping to get when we got there, but it was already taken. But we feel like that one is the most private, even if the campground was full. Another con of Danforth Bay Campground is that you cannot reserve a specific site in advance. You can only reserve the type of site. So if you want standard hookups, you reserve that, and then once you get there, they assign your site. So that is another downfall because you can't pick your specific site that you want. If you've been there and you have some experience, please leave a comment below. And if you want to see our family adventure at Danforth Bay and what we did in the surrounding areas, click on the video up top and check that out. If this video was helpful at all to you, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.